Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pharma Web Study. Friends, today discuss about respiratory system. The most important organ of the respiratory system of human lung, where the exchange of gases take place. All these organs come under respiratory system, which help to exchange of gases are nasal passages, pharynx, larynx or voice box, trachea, bronchi, bronchiole and lungs. Nasal passage. What is nasal passage? Its main function is related to sniffing. Its inner cavity is lined with mucous membrane. This secretes approximately half a liter of mucus every day. This prevents the particle of dust, bacteria and other small organisms from entering into the body. It makes the air weight entering into the body and equalize it with the temperature of the body. Pharynx. Then it is situated behind the nasal cavity, a common passage of both respiratory and digestive system. And then, what is larynx? Larynx. Pharynx open into anterior wider part of trachea called larynx. The open is called glottis, a cartilaginous flap-like structure cover the glottis called epigastritis, which prevent the entry of food during swallowing. A pair of vocal cord is present inside and larynx help it produce sound. Trachea. From base of larynx a tube arises, passes through the neck and reaches up to middle of thorax is called trachea. It is supported by C-shaped cartilaginous ring. Internally, trachea is lined by ciliated and mucus secreting epithelium. What is bronchi? In thoracic region, trachea divided into two branches called bronchi. Each bronchi enter into the lung of its two sides. Each bronchi enter into the lung of its own side. After entering into the lung, bronchioles of each side divide and redivided into very fine tube called bronchioles. Finally, bronchioles gives rise alveoli or alveolar sac. Alveolar are the site of gaseous exchange. Then what is lung? There is a pair of lung in thoracic cavity. Its color is pink, red and look like sponge. Right lung is larger in comparison to left lung. Each lung is surrounded by a membrane which is called pleural membrane. There is a network of blood capillary. Their oxygen enter into the blood and CO2 release out from the blood. The process of respiration can be divided into four parts. First, external respiration. Second, transportation of gases. Third, internal respiration. And fourth, cellular respiration. First, external respiration. There is divided into two parts. First, breathing and B, exchange of gases. A. Breathing. In lung, air is taken and given out at certain rate which is called breathing. In adult, breathing approximately 12 to 20 times in minute. Mechanism of breathing. What is mechanism of breathing? Then answer is inspiration. At this stage, air from the environment enter into the lung. through the nasal passage due to increase in the dimension of thoracic cavity. A low pressure is formed in the lung and air enter into the lung from the environment. The air continue to enter until the pressure of air inside and outside the body become equal. Diaphragm is flattened during inspiration and expiration. In this process, air become out of the lung. Quantity of nitrogen in 79% and oxygen in 17% and carbon dioxide amount is 4%. Every day approximately 400 ml water is excreted out through breathing. The maximum volume of air which can be inhaled by human is total lung capacity, means maximum volume of air which can be inhaled by human called total lung capacity. Then come to the point exchange of gases. The exchange of gases take place inside the lung. These gaseous exchanges take place on the basis of concentration gradient through normal diffusion. The exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide gases take place due to their difference in partial pressure. The difference in diffusion is both sides. Diaphragm is arched during normal expiration. Then come to the point transportation of gases. The process of reaching out the gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide from lung to the cell to body and come back again to the lung is called the transportation of gases. Transportation of gases take place by hemoglobin present in blood. Transportation of carbon dioxide from cell in to lung take place by hemoglobin only of the extent of 10 to 20%. Transportation of carbon dioxide take place through circulation of blood by mixing with plasma. Carbon dioxide from carbonic acid after mixing in plasma. Transportation of 7% carbon dioxide take place bicarbonate. 70% part of carbon dioxide in the form of bicarbonate is transported mixed with potassium and sodium of blood and form potassium bicarbonate and sodium bicarbonate. And then third point is internal respiration. What is internal respiration? Inside the body, gaseous exchange takes place between blood and tissue fluid, which is called internal respiration. This point is notable. The gaseous exchange in lung is called external respiration. And then come to the point cellular respiration. What is cellular respiration? Glucose is oxidized by oxygen reached into cell. This process is called cellular respiration. Type of cellular respiration. There are two types of respiration. A. Aerobic respiration. If the oxygen of food take place is absent of oxygen during this, only two ATP molecules are produced from one molecule of glucose. Final product of aerobic respiration in animal tissue like skeletal muscles called skeletal muscle cell is lactic acid. In yeast and certain bacteria, ethyl alcohol or ethanol is produced. Let's discuss about aerobic respiration. What is aerobic respiration? It takes place in the presence of oxygen. The complete oxidation of glucose takes place as a result CO2 and H2O is formed and energy is released in huge amount. The complex process in cellular